My name is Dr Avad. I come from Zanzibar, which is in Tanzania. I am a junior doctor, so I had an accident about 6 years ago. Started with a pain, which gradually got worse. So I sought treatment for the first time in 2018. I went to a hospital. I had surgery here in India, but after a month or so, my pain returned. So I stayed another 2 years. Then I went to a doctor who referred me here to Manipal, to Dr Ayyappan V Nair.
Hey, I would like to talk about my patient Avad, who's a medical doctor who's come all the way from Africa, and he had come to me with a complaint of multiple ligament injuries in the knee. So the history was a little sad because he had a long history, maybe a year back. He had an injury to the knee and he had 2 ligaments which were torn. So he had undergone a primary surgery somewhere else, and only one of the ligaments could be repaired that time by that particular surgeon. So now he continued to have pain and instability, and he had a tendency to fall. So for which what we did was we did an arthroscopic ACL and a PCL surgery, which was done together.
So my injury is an ACL PCL tear. I have been suffering for the last 6 years. The pain has been almost constant, and it has limited me in my activities. I could not play sports. I could not even walk properly or walk long enough before pain set in. I could not sit for a long time. Yeah, I was limited in my daily work. So I came here in 2022 in early January, where they scheduled me for surgery. I underwent a PCL ACL repair with Dr Ayyappan V Nair.
So the surgery came out very nice, and we were very happy with the surgical outcome. And his recovery was also excellent. He started to move his knees immediately after the surgery and started bending the knees properly, and we were able to mobilize him early, and then we were able to send him home in a few days. So we are extremely happy that we could help him, and he's returning back to his normal life.
So after surgery, I stayed in the hospital for a few days. I have to say my condition is okay. My stay here at the hospital has been good. The nurses were well, the doctors were cooperative, they were informative. I would recommend it to anyone. And now I am scheduled to go back home, feeling much better.